Hello, dear kids. How are you, beta? I hope you all are doing well at your homes and helping your parents, obeying them, and yes, reading your books. Okay, dear kids, we have started, we were discussing pronouns, replacing words. We came to know what is a pronoun. Pronoun is a word which qualifies a noun. It is used in place of a noun. Then we came to know this pronoun table. As I told you in the previous video that we have three persons: first person, second and third person. First person, that is I and we. I, we. Second person, you. Third person, he, she, it, they. They all are different persons in English language, and this is how we use them in according to gender. Masculine, feminine. You is used for both. He is for masculine, she is for feminine. Singular, plural is there. The uses of different persons according to the numbers and genders in this table. And then we practiced some worksheets also. Worksheet 2 we have: read the story given below and tick the correct option. We have to use the correct pronoun. We have to use a word in place of a noun. Okay, let's do this. Once upon a time, an old man lived in a village. The old man or he? We have two options. We have to choose one. And now we are going to select one. Please remember that we are using replacing words. Once upon a time, an old man lived in a village. The old man. We cannot use this one because otherwise it will be a repetition. Okay? हम लोग repeat नहीं करने हैं. हम लोग repeat नहीं करेंगे. We are going to use a pronoun. That is he. He किस लिए? Because the old man. Man masculine. ठीक है, सिंगुलर है, मैस्कुलाइन है. दैट इज वाई वी आर यूजिंग थर्ड पर्सन ही हैड 4 सन्स. नाउ दे किसके लिए 4 सन्स, बिकॉज वो क्या है, एक से ज़्यादा है, इसलिए मोर देन 1 के लिए प्लूरल, थर्ड पर्सन से प्लूरल दे. देन they were very lazy. The old man used to work alone in the field. The old man used to work alone in the fields. Then his sons. His किसके? His sons. क्यों इसको करेक्ट क्यों किया हमने या इसको चूज क्यों किया? बिकॉज हम किसको इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं? His sons. किसके बेटे? The old man. ओल्ड मैन के बेटे. मीन्स वी आर यूजिंग दिस प्रोनाउन his. किसके लिए? ओल्ड मैन के लिए. His sons never helped him. Him कौन हुआ? ओल्ड मैन. One day the old man or he? Yes, one day the old man or he? One day he, not old man. One day he thought of a clever plan. Then he called his sons and told them. Them किसके लिए? उनको बुलाया. किनको बुलाया उसने? अपने बेटों को बुलाया. His sons के लिए them that he, the old man or he pronoun use कर रहे हैं, replacing word. He had buried all his treasures in his field. The brothers or they? यहाँ आएगा they कौन? Yes, his sons. They went and dug the field up. However, वे कौन? उसके बेटे. His sons. They did not find any treasure. They went back to their father. He laughed. अब ये he कौन? ओल्ड मैन. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे their father, उनका पिता कौन? उनके पापा कौन? ओल्ड मैन थे. तो इसका जो एंटीसीडेंट है हिज फादर हमने यूज़ कर लिया, इसलिए इसका प्रोनाउन ही का यूज़ करेंगे। ही लाफ्ड एंड टोल्ड देम दैट द फील्ड वॉज देयर ओनली ट्रेजर बाय मेकिंग them plough the field, he had given them a chance to win by growing crops. This is how we are going to use pronouns beta. Replacing words actually replaces a noun. Next exercise we have, read the following dialogues and write in brackets who or what the underlined pronouns stand for. One example has been done for you. Teacher, why isn't Prashant coming to school? Is he? Now he कौन? Prashant. Is he keeping well? Mudit. Yes ma'am. He कौन? Prashant. He कौन? Prashant. Prashant called me कौन? मुदित, क्योंकि मुदित बोल रहा है। प्रशांत कॉल्ड मी, मुदित को, yesterday he has gone out of station with his family. They कौन? They dash will be staying there for a week. They कौन? प्रशांत एंड हिज फैमिली मेम्बर्स। प्रशांत एंड हिज फैमिली मेम्बर्स, प्रशांत और उसके फैमिली मेम्बर्स जो हैं वो वहाँ पे एक हफ्ते के लिए रहेंगे, तो इसलिए दे क्यों? क्योंकि प्रशांत के साथ में उसके फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं, मोर देन वन पर्सन। देन ऋषि, नेक्स्ट डायलॉग इज ऋषि and Ankita are saying to Kapil, are you कौन? Kapil. With us कौन? Rishi and Ankita. To Neha's birthday party today? Kapil, no, I can't. Rishi, why hasn't she कौन? Neha. Yes, third person, Neha invited you. Kapil, oh no, she has invited me. Me कौन? Kapil. But I have to take my mother to hospital today. अब she कौन? Kapil's mother has an appointment with the doctor. बेटा देखो, जब आप किसी प्रोनाउन का यूज कर रहे हो, first please make it clear what is the noun and where is the noun and which noun is there in place of that you are using that pronoun. कौन सा वो नाउन है जिसकी जगह पे आपने प्रोनाउन को यूज करना है, वो कौन सा नाउन है, पहले ये पता होना चाहिए आपको। फर्स्ट पहले आपको नाउन आइडेंटिफाई करना आना चाहिए, उसके बाद आपको प्रोनाउन यूज करना आएगा। नेक्स्ट, सी पार्ट, टीचर। Smita, isn't your mother a doctor? Smita is saying, yes madam. She कौन? She, Smita's mother. वो उसने बोला yes ma'am. She is a general physician. Teacher, can you मतलब अब टीचर और स्मिता बात कर रहे हैं आपस में, तो स्मिता को बोल रही है यू। कैन यू प्लीज आस्क हर कौन? स्मिताज मदर, अपनी मम्मा से पूछोगे टू कम टू आवर स्कूल एंड डिलीवर ए लेक्चर ऑन हेल्थ एंड हाइजीन। स्मिता, आई विल कन्वे योर मैसेज टू हर। स्मिताज मदर, मैडम आई एम श्योर शी मतलब स्मिताज मदर, शी वुड लव टू कम टू आवर स्कूल एंड गाइड द स्टूडेंट्स अबाउट हेल्थ एंड hygiene. So dear students, please do practice of these exercises at home. Okay, thank you so much bete.